To this part of the tutorial. Then in this particular section, we'll be looking at image effects. We're trying to work on some effect with the image. So I'll just come to my background first. I'll be changing the color, giving it a should we give it white or black? Should I just give it anything? No, let me give it. Let's just use this. So the next I'll be bringing in an image from my gallery. So I'll be bringing in okay, let's bring in this one. Make it this. Okay, I'll just position it to somewhere around this side. So I'll click on this guy here, relative size. Then I'll make sure it sits in the middle. I'll just lock it. So the next thing I can just choose to hide it. So the next thing I'll be doing, I'll be going back to my gallery. I'll be bringing in for a reason or two. I haven't actually thought of something to make use of. Okay, so let's make use of this lady. What is not a transparent one? This was actually there was one I actually made transparent. So let's delete this. So just go to my gallery. I've succeeded in bringing out everything I'll be needing. So this is the image I brought in. So what will be happening here is that I'll just come here. I'll lock this one. Okay, after I've locked it, I'm going to just come here and change the color to black. I need it to be completely black. I can still make use of red. Still do. Alright, I'll come here, put in a text. So vibes or the feeling. So the next thing I'll be changing the font to Montserrat Extra Bold. Okay, so I'll change it to okay, I'm trying to let's see any color that will go with the text. Okay, so fortunately I couldn't get anyone that works correctly with the text, but there's actually a way I can get it. I'll come click on the text, click on plus icon, then the color is already on. I'll click on plus icon and just click on it. Yeah, so I'll just come to my text, click on the color button, then click on this red. So this is practically the text I was trying to create. So I'll just come here, copy it, then all right. Hmm. Hmm. The feeling. I'm just trying to the feeling. All right. So yes, I think it's okay though. It's okay. So wow, I just changed. Okay, let me copy this. All right, duplicated this one. Going to hide this one. So the next thing I'll be doing is this one, this one, this one. No, I shouldn't have done that first. I should have first created. I think I did. I didn't. I'd have created a shape first. Okay, so I'll just come here, come to this, click on these three, and merge. I'm merging them. It's gonna take a while. Okay, it is succeeded, successfully merged. No, there's a mistake there. So it's supposed to be this, this. No, just those four. The one I merged before, I didn't take the shape with me. It's not going to create the trick I really wanted. So now this is what I wanted. So now just come to not eraser, erase color. Erase color. Now I'm putting the eyedropper on red. Then I can decide to increase. Okay, I think 20 is okay. But I'm still seeing some sign of red. Okay, but let's just ignore it. So this other one. Okay, I'll have to make sure it's at the very middle. Then I'll come to color, I'll put it off. So the next thing I'll be coming to filter. Then I'll be reducing the saturation, reducing the brightness. Let's see. Now let me just leave the saturation. Let me try and increase the contrast to about 22. Okay, about 14. 15. Why this guy? Okay, so I will now reduce the opacity. To 80. Let me use 75. So you're seeing the feeling it's already giving. So all I just need is to make this one visible. Now my text is, instead of it being in black, it is this taking the background. I intentionally kept it somewhere around. Let me just bring it here. This background. So what I just did, when I brought it in, so I just cropped, I just the size, and I placed it somewhere around here, and now just bring it down here. So the text, when we raise be black and remove, is now give me the feel of this particular color. So now this other one we brought in first. Look at, for example, if you, in case you just brought your own, all you just need to do is take it back. So once I've taken it back, you're actually not seeing the effect now. It's because still this opacity is not. You look at it very well, you'll be noticing the effect. Okay, so I'll click on plus. I'm not liking the effect it's giving me. So I've gotten an image. So all I will just be doing, I will be breaking it at the back of this text. Right, so you can now see from text a little bit of effects from the, let me come to the the side relative feature on the, when I reduce the brightness to 100, you're like seeing the effects from the screen. So practically that's how you do this kind of effect in Pixellab. So let's try and reduce. It actually works. It's okay. No, it's okay. Still, it's still very okay. Alright, so we see in the next video.